Use long division to divide 8x to the fourth plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 1 divided by 2x squared minus x plus 2. This one's going to be a little bit more work than the previous one because there's so many terms, but we should be able to do it just fine. We've got 8x to the fourth plus, and we don't have an x cubed term, so we need to put in a 0x cubed as a placeholder, plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 1, and we're dividing this by 2x squared minus x plus 2. Let's begin. What does 2x squared need to get multiplied by to become 8x to the fourth? Well, if we multiply it by 4x squared, 2 times 4 is 8, and x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. So now that we have this, let's multiply 4x squared by all of the terms in our divisor. 4x squared times 2x squared is 8x to the fourth. 4x squared times negative x is negative 4x cubed. And 4x squared times 2 is 8x squared. Because we're subtracting this trinomial from the one above it, we need to distribute the subtraction, which changes the signs to negative, positive, and then negative, and then we can combine like terms. The first pair cancels out as always, the second pair gives us 4x cubed, and the third pair gives us negative 2x squared. Now we can bring down the next term and continue the process. To get from 2x squared to 4x cubed, we need to multiply by positive 2x. When we do that, 2x times 2x squared is 4x cubed. 2x times negative x is negative 2x squared. And 2x times 2 is positive 4x. We need to subtract this, so we need to distribute the negative and change the signs. So this is going to become negative, positive, and then negative. I need to erase the positive and change that to a negative. Good. Now, when we combine like terms, the first pair cancels, and the second pair cancels, which is unlike what we've seen before, but perfectly fine. The third pair gives us negative 7x plus 1, and because the degree of what we have left over is less than the degree of the divisor, that means that what we have left over is the remainder. And so our answer is going to be 4x squared plus 2x plus the quantity negative 7x plus 1 over 2x squared minus x plus 2. And this is our final answer.